The new hospital at the South Niagara Site is one step closer to reality today with the announcement of the capital campaign. Two familiar faces were announced as co-chairs at today's event.
So with this, I'm so honored to introduce you all to the leadership of our It's Our Future campaign. Our campaign co-chairs, Niagara Falls Mayor Jim Diodati and Mr. Harry Oakes.
When Jim first asked me about it, it was a few months ago, and COVID was kind of on the top of mind. We're just dealing with a crisis from COVID, so it was hard to commit at the time. The summer kind of stabilized, and we started to look at the future a little bit more, right? So looking down the road, we know this is important, and when you go through COVID, you just know that the healthcare system is so critical to our community. So that's really what I think helped resonate with me to get on the team.
And what we'd like to do is talk about the funds raised to date thanks to those people that you just saw standing. Okay, folks, here's what we're going to do, and I'm going to ask our team to reveal the funds raised one number at a time, starting with the last zero. No, you go ahead. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. Big hand.
What was the process of getting the initial investors, and how did you go about that?
Well, we had to reach out into the community, and this is through our team that works at the Niagara Health Foundation, and they went to some people that are identified donors, people that they know always support the hospital, and asked, would you be part of the founding donors list? So we're really grateful that these people stepped forward. They offered the initial commitments, and now we're on our way toward our goal. So you need a little bit of momentum, and we had to go to some people that were willing to make that commitment.
With a goal of $40 million to raise, current donors have already contributed almost half of that amount.
Well, we've always had a close relationship with Niagara Health Foundation, always kept in contact, and we're just completing a current pledge to the hospital. We were contacted by Jim Diodati at the foundation, who is a childhood friend of mine, known him for many, many years, and he asked if we were interested in extending and discussing the pledge to the new hospital site, and my brother Terry and I, and my brother Chris, and the entire Sotil family had actually been speaking about that and discussing that over the course of the summer this year, and because we did want to be a part of it and make a substantial donation.
So we've got a whole team of volunteers and a whole committee that's going to go out and help organize those kind of things. The main job for Harry and I is we're going to go after some of the bigger donors, some of the bigger fish, the ones that we need to make the big contributions, and it's going to take everything. We're going to need bake sales, we're going to need church groups, service groups, lemonade stands, people, a little bit of everything. But Harry and I, our main job is to be the face of the campaign so that people understand that what they're doing is building their hospital, and we're going to be the cheerleaders. We're going to be the ones thanking people and maybe making some of those tough calls for some people that we know can afford to help build our hospital.
In Niagara Falls, reporting for The Source, I'm Nobrega.